Are you looking to rotate text in Photoshop 2024 for your next design project? Maybe you want to add a dynamic twist to your graphics, or experiment with layout ideas for a flyer or social media post. Whatever your creative goal, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to rotate text in Photoshop using different rotation options and understand how each method can impact your work. So let's jump straight in and get started. First things first. Open Photoshop. If you already have a document prepped, great. If not, just open up Photoshop from your desktop or Start menu and create a new canvas. You can pick any size that suits what you're working on. Once you're inside, you'll want to add some text. Head over to the toolbar on the left and select the Type tool. It looks like a capital T. Click anywhere on your canvas and start typing. Maybe your name, a catchy phrase, or whatever you want to practice with. When you're done, just hit Enter or click the Move tool to set the text in place. Now, here's an important note. You need to make sure your text layer is selected in the Layers panel. This tells Photoshop which element you want to rotate. If you don't have this layer selected, any rotation you do will apply to a different layer. Or worse, nothing at all. So find your text layer in the Layers panel on the right side of the screen and give it a good click so it's highlighted. With your text layer active, glance up to the top menu and click on Image. This is where Photoshop keeps its rotation controls for images and layers. Hover your mouse over Image Rotation. You'll see a few options drop down. This menu lets you rotate the entire canvas, including the layer you have selected, which is perfect for quick, universal rotations. Let's start by clicking counterclockwise. This rotates your canvas and your text 90 degrees to the left. It happens instantly. Take a second to notice the effect. Your text flips over, which can be visually striking and useful for vertical designs, or if you're prepping something to appear on the left side of a poster. If your text looks squished or the placement feels off, don't worry. You can always move it around with the Move tool or undo with Ctrl+Z if you want to try again. Alright, now let's rotate it back. Repeat the process. Go up to Image, hover over Image Rotation, and this time choose Clockwise. Your text will rotate 90 degrees to the right, returning it to its original orientation if you just rotated left, or flipping it in a different direction. This is super handy if you're designing something like a spine for a book cover, or you need your text to run up and down on a business card. Feeling adventurous? Try the 180 degrees option. As the name suggests, this completely flips your text upside down. It's a dramatic change. Your text will read backward unless you flip the whole canvas again. Designers sometimes use this effect for fun invitations or mysterious posters where you want people to tilt their head to read. If you're experimenting, don't worry if it looks odd at first. These rotations won't alter your text itself. Just play around until you find the orientation that suits your project. Remember, each rotation affects your whole canvas. So if you have more than just text, like a photo or additional graphics, everything will rotate together. If you ever want to rotate just the text itself without moving other layers, you'd use the Transform tool instead, but that's a tutorial for another day. And there you go. That's how you rotate text in Photoshop 2024 using image rotation. Try these steps with different fonts and layouts and see what creative ideas come to mind. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and leave any questions or Photoshop challenges you're facing down in the comments so I can help you out. Hit subscribe for more clear, practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy designing.